Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Ngifuna ukungena ku-page engilibonile laphana, I think i-Naturana Insider laphana ku-Facebook. Babhale kahle nge-English enkulu e-nice bafethu ukuthi why ulokhu njani, ubani i-National Miguel important for i-team, akumelanga kubhekwa amaphutha wakhe. Inkinga yami-ke ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bazothi ngicriticize i-team kakhulu, but guess what, angeke sinese amadoda. But-ke asilaleleni le statement bafethu, side but just be patient sibone ukuthi ama-player bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs ayaneswa and ngeke unese umuntu ohola over close to 400,000 bafethu. But na i-situation yakhe bathi isimo saka-Inacio Miguel laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kubhaliwe lana kuthiwa kuma-matches awu-2 laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup ube namaphutha vele awu-2 alide to ama-goals vele awu-2. Amanye-ke amaphutha laphana awenzile azange i-Kaizer Chiefs bayikore noma bayiphanishe because of uPeterson u-goalkeeper ukwazile ukubhlokha noma ukumsiza. But-ke inali iphutha lokuqala laba-mentionile against i-Al-Masry bafethu ukuthi Al-Masry ithole i-winning goal ngoba i-Inacio Miguel uhlulekile ukukhipha ibhola laphana ekugcineni, and also against iZamalek ubaphe igoli inside laphana 3 minutes, and then la ahluleke ukuklear ibhola khona waliclear straight to i-midfielder noma ngithi striker seZamalek balishaya phakathi laphana igoli, and then a minute later or man la khona lana mana abuyisela ibhola emuva kuPeterson. UPeterson bekumele aphume fast abe under pressure, another mistake nearly cost the team again nge-risky back pass-ke. But nako-ke la bamprotector khona bathi but lawo maphutha lawo akumelanga a-erase noma acishe i-contribution yakhe ukuthi usiza i-team kangakanani overall, bhalwe kanjalo. Kuthiwa-ke u-Inacio Miguel ubaluleke kakhulu futhi i-influence yakhe laphana isiza kuma-departments ahlukene and then kuma-different elements of i-game yakhe laphana. Kuthiwa-ke me-defender uba involved kakhulu even out of positions, usiza i-team ngoba uphasa kahle kakhulu, uyakwazi ukubuilda from the back, unika i-team okuningi kakhulu. I-physicality yakhe iyakwazi ngempela uku-neutralize noma ukucisha umlilo we-striker eziyinkinga both laphana elikini naku-continental competitions. Uyakwazi uku-frustrate ama-attackers futhi uya-enjoya u-frustrate attackers u-enjoy dominating weaker defenders. Kusho ukuthi bathi i-Inacio Miguel lana akusi-defenders bafethu i-defender eli-weak, i-defender eli-strong kakhulu. Naku so against iZamalek nje kuphela he had no interceptions, but-ke ama-clearance wakhe nokuthi ublock ama-shot, ama-tackles, ama-recoveries, overall defensive contributions kula a-better khona than uZitha Kwinika and the rest of i-defense. Kusho ukuthi u-Inacio Miguel according to le statement list esibhalwe ipage enama-followers amaningi uyi-best defender than wonke ama-defender ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I'm paraphrasing because of kuthiwa-ke u-better than uKwinika nawo wonke ama-defenders lapha i-defense ye-Chiefs. Kuthiwa-ke laphana kuma-duel aru-5 uluze elilodwa nje kuphela, akekho umuntu o-close to i-defender elifana no-Inacio Miguel laphana ku-Chiefs. Kuthiwa yebo siyavuma u-Inacio Miguel uyawenza amaphutha but also uproduce 2 massive clearances, kusho ukuthi usave i-Kaizer Chiefs kawu-2 ku-goal line laphana, and khona nale bhola libeselishaya selimbhithile uPeterson, but-ke yena ukwazile ukulikhipha laphana elayinini. So kuthiwa masijaje uPeterson ulona u-Inacio Miguel kumele sibheke close, sibheke ama-mistake wakhe, sibheke nezinto azenzayo ezinhle. Kuthiwa-ke as much as uKwinika engcono kuma-1v1 defending, but u-Inacio Miguel uwina amabhola amaningi walaphana phezulu compared to uKwinika. Into esizayo noma ejustifyayo ukuthi why athola i-game time noma ama-minutes laphana ku-Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi then uyaqhubeka laphana bayachaza bathi-ke mawubheka even last season uPeterson naye bheka ku-situation ekanje, uPeterson uyi-best goalkeeper laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke ama-mistake wakhe laphana bewakhosta i-team, but this season ukwazile like ukwehlisa kuma-mistake wakhe kuma-critical, so noma sengithi sebaluleke kakhulu for i-team. Akekho perfect but still usawenza amaphutha, but-ke ungcono than last season or kuma-recoveries this time around. Yiso le statement lesi-ke bafowethu. Nayo-ke mina into enginenkinga nayo kakhulu, yes mangikhuluma ngayo ngiyasho ukuthi uma-aerial balls ungcono, like you could see uyawawina amabhola aphezulu nini, umsebenzi wakho ukudefenda akumelanga anconywe ukuthi uclear amabhola wenzeni. Umsebenzi wakhe ukudefenda, ukora ayikora i-team, but-ke phela i-goal is the biggest thing ever bafowethu. If noma kuthiwa ungenza umsebenzi omuhle kangakanani but ukhosta i-team amagoli awu-2 wena important. U-Cross naye khona ibhola libhlokhwe laphana kudlalwa ne-Al-Masry seliyongena. If bengingase u-Cross leli kuthiwe ngathi ipenalty ibhola lakhona kwaba nama-debates but u-Cross ulisave lela bhola wavele walahlela laphana phansi good tackle ibhola lashaya yena wakwazi ukulisave ibhola ukuthi bangakori. But ngeke sigxile kuleyo nto leyo sihlale kuleyo sithi u-Cross usave i-team. Umsebenzi wabo labantu labo ukuthi ba-defend angithi. So we can't celebrate ukuthi udefende kangakanani but i-mistake ekhosta i-team elida to i-goal you can't have umuntu oyedwa bafowethu ukuthi manje uzoba nama-mistake every game but kuthiwa bhekani ukuthi udlale kanjani kule department le. Why-ke masiya kumthetho singamncoma umthetho sithi nomthetho uyasiza ukudefenda, asikhohlwe ukuthi akakwazi ukuphasa but siyakumention okuhle, siyakumention at the same time nokubi esayidini lakho ukuthi okay umthetho in terms of is one of the best players e-teamini because of uyi-hard worker but-ke koma lama-department lawa kubonakala ngathi futhi ngeke improve. INacho Miguel khohlwa-ke bafethu ngeke improve INacho Miguel in terms of ama-mistake from INacho Miguel are-guaranteed. 1v1 is easily beaten ngeke ngayisho into yakhona, so dingeka i-defender li-solid. I-confidence unayo, i-leadership skills unayo, ukusiza i-team uyakwazi but uyikhosta kakhulu because of ama-cost wakhe a-leader to amagoli. Umsebenzi wakhe njengoba bengishilo bafethu ukudefenda. One mistake balishaya phakathi, if kuyi-mistake yakhe that mistake sizobhalwa phansi bafethu edolweni kuthiwa INacho Miguel wakhosta i-team kanje nakanje nakanje, yabo. So mina ngiyamncoma umuntu menza kahle to be honest, yabo Kunika wenza kahle kakhulu. Eden McCarthy first 3 games of the season bekenza kahle kakhulu, 2 men of the matches but wahluleka ukudila ne-error ball leli abaParish Chiefs against the-Orbit College. And I mentioned that thing ukuthi ube negame e-right but-ke lela bhola lela kumele improve kuphi kuma-error balls but umfana na-21 mncane anga-improve. INacho Miguel i-senior player ema-count ama-yellow card wakhe ukuthi unama-yellow card awungakhi unnecessary uzobambana nabantu kuphi. Akusiyi-defender leli lingasiza i-Chiefs ukuthi liwine i-league, khohlwa ngeke uyiwine i-league no-INacho Miguel. Why? Because of ku-PSL bayakuthagetha naku-continental level sebayazi ukuthi lo uzowenza amaphutha, bazokuhlala igame yonke and bayazi ukuthi one mistake sodla ngaloyo. Mawuthola i-team esolid izoshaya igoli elilodwa and then idefendele igame yonke uzoyenza kanjani? Kusho ukuthi-ke uzoshawa ngo-INacho Miguel every game. Angeke ukuprotect ama-player protect yinto-ke ebulala i-Chiefs bafethu, ama-fans abulala i-Chiefs akusiyo ama-player because of ama-fans aba-big headed afunda lezi zinto online abona ukuthi bayangithanda abantu ba-reacta kahle abantu online and then they stop working hard. This is what's happening at the moment. You get a player liyasayina, for example senze uBatman sekathole i-hype angakaze ayithole kuma-previous teams but akadla negame eyodwa kuthiwa umuntu ozosave. uvele bayi simbonile ama-glimpse of ukuba i-great player, i-speed but usayenzeleni i-team into e-tangible bafowethu ehlanyisa i-country yonke. Akakabi khona into ayenzela i-team esiyibonile, akaka-assist, akakakori, akaka-drive forward ukuthi sibone uwa-create-ile ama-opportunities. There was a big chance ayi-create-ile, ngimthanda ngoba like uyakwazi ukuskora ibhola. Thabiso Munyane wageja laphana but-ke he gives the team that thing but akakayenzi lutho e-tangible esingathi izoba memorable. If uyastop ukudlala namhlanje simkhumbule ngaleyo nto le, ayikho into esingamkhumbula ngayo. uLebohang Maboya previous game against iZamalek uperforme kahle kakhulu but sesimcelebrate ngathi uwinise angazi i-team ini wayitholela i-3 points wayithatha wayibeka ku-final, no but se-celebrate ngathi sekwenze konke, yabo. Ama-players siwa-overhyper kakhulu to a point where nawo awekho motivated enough ukuthi abe hungry ukuthi a-celebrate ngento ekhona. So Ushinga akadlali le game but guess what, lapha eThohoyandou ukuthi bebamcelebrate kangakanani, naye azange akhohlwe ukuthi hayibo labantu bangi-celebrate kangaka, abakangiboni nokungibona, abakaboni ukuthi ngidlala kanjani nanokuthi ngizodeliver kanjani. uMayo usayenzeleni i-team. Ethi ngikhuluma ngento e-tangible bafowethu, into ephathekayo ukuthi if uMayo let's say ama-injuries ayamkhosta uyadileya ngaphandle isikhathi eside ukuthi i-Chiefs izothi okay asimsayine permanent mayiphela i-season because i-team i-edele lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. Bese udlala amagame awu-5 awu-6 ukora amagoli ayingaka, ucontribute kangakanani, unama-assist angakanani, zonke lezo zinto lezo. Ama-player already afikile, oNdlovu maningi ama-player vele afikile bafowethu but-ke what contribution have these players made since they've arrived? Umuntu one-contribution e-tangible lo ofikile omusha laphana ku-Chiefs uSilva out of ama-minutes wakhe like une-contribution esiyibonayo, umuntu esingamncoma-ke simthathe sithi ayazini lo Uma engathola more minutes siyazi ukuthi uzowashaya amagoli, uyawashaya amagoli. Sekawashayile amagoli, siyayibona into yakhe iyaphatheka. Ubheke Ighodaro, I think the best game for yena it was just against AS Simba. After lokho asisakamboni. The best game yakhe kuchisa is laphana eDobsonville. Why singakamboni? Because of i-system vele edlalwayo laphana. You can't blame him that much, but-ke ayikho into asayenzela i-team kunokuthi ama-players a-celebrate kangaka. That's the biggest problem with ama-fans. They just celebrate umuntu just for the sake of ukuKaizer Chiefs. Manje you see abanye bathi uSolomon is the best player ku-Chiefs in the past 2 games, and then you look at this, you like, hayibo, abantu babukela igame, bayibona kanjani igame, and why would they just protect every player njengokuthi idlalela i-Chiefs? So kuprotect-iwe iNacho Miguel. Hayi bafowethu, mina ngiyazi le nto le ngempela. I-team ngeke ba-improve abafana. That is why ubona i-performance ubona uShabalala ukhona akekho, ukhona akekho, i-performance yakhe yaphansi naphezulu because of uyazi ukuthi noma angathula 4 games angenzi lutho 4 games, but the minute igame eyodwa ashaye igoli ne-assist is highly celebrated like he's the biggest star in the country. And then usebenza kanjani umuntu, u-improve kanjani, u-elevate kanjani igame yakhe umuntu, nama-goals wakhe ukuthi a-change aloku a-switch-a, a-shifter, awa-elevate if uzo-celebrate for doing bare minimum. Ama-fans ayawabulala ama-player, gcina ama-player aba-big headed ngento engekho bafowethu. Uyibone ukuthi phela lento le ayikho, but-ke umuntu highly flavoured, highly celebrated. Hhayi, ziyakhala bafowethu, sobona kusasa kuzoba negame, zizokhala. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page bafowethu liyakhula lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.